What is absolute return? Absolute return is the total gain or loss of an investment over a period of time. It shows how much money an investment has made or lost, without comparing it to the market. In simple words, absolute return means the actual profit or loss you earn. Absolute return is usually shown as a percentage. For example, if you invest $1,000 and later it becomes $100, your absolute return is 10%. If the value falls to $900, the absolute return is minus 10%. Absolute return does not depend on how the stock market or index performs. It only looks at your investment result. Absolute return can be positive or negative. A positive absolute return means profit. A negative absolute return means loss. Absolute return is commonly used in mutual funds, hedge funds, and investment analysis. Investors use absolute return to see if their money has grown or not. In simple terms, absolute return answers one question: did I make money or lose money? Easy way to remember. Absolute return means total profit or loss.